Hey guys, we're about to go inside VaporDNA flagship store in Torrance, California to get some first impressions on the Aero starter kit. Let's do it. Welcome. Welcome. How are you? Good. What are you up to today? Is it busy? Have you seen me? I'm gonna go get some first impressions from a customer.
Okay.
Okay. Bye. Hey man.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Good, good. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
My name's Vince.
What's going on, Vince?
Nice to meet you.
What you got there?
I got an Aero starter kit.
Ah,
You should try it out.
New mod?
Yeah. I need some first impressions just to get to know it, you know, to see if other customers will like it other than you, because I know everyone's gonna like it.
First impressions, it's a good looking mod, you know? It's got my wattage, tells its time.
Tells the time.
Yeah, it's got a good grip, feels nice in the hand.
Yeah, fire it and then press the black button.
What's the black button do?
It's just don't worry about it.
Is that a light?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait, let me see this. Oh.
You gotta hold the light.
You gotta hold the light.
You gotta hold the light.
After the fire? You know what I could say? It makes some really good clouds though.
It does, it does. The coil lasts like a good length of time. I've had it in there for at least a week.
There you go. Check that out.
No leakage so far.
Nice. I like it a lot. Yeah.
the best.
Not too bad.
Doesn't kill battery life either.
Yeah, probably much better than what I've got now.
Yeah, no, on the box it says 18650 version, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna release like a 2700
right.
or 21700, something in between. That's the goal.
So this would be the first gen of its kind?
Yeah.
Very nice. I like what they've done so far.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool. Anyways, on to some more customers.
Alright, there you
Thanks
go,
so
bud.
much.
No
I
problem.
appreciate your time.
Take it easy, yeah.
See you later. Hey, I need your more first impressions. Yeah. Yeah. And then you have to press the yeah. No, you could change the color. It cycles through different ones. Yeah, no, you have to go to the menu. It's complicated, but not too complicated. It's Buddha.
It's like a rave.
It impresses everybody you see. Give it to them. Let them try it. It's wonderful. Well, guys, that was the Aero starter kit with the Heracles 3 25mm sub-ohm tank. It's a great little mod that just lights up when you want it to. And if you don't want it to, you don't have to make it light up, which is always fun. The light is amazing, but it goes up to 230 watts. It's an 18650 dual little mod. It's pretty ergonomical. It comes in 2 different colors. I like it. You can change the wallpaper. It always has the time and the date on it, which is just like really useful when you're out and about and you don't have a watch on you because you're just a hipster. So yeah, I like it. I think other people will like it. I mean, as far as scents goes, they've been coming back, and this is just something that is nice to see from them, something that works, something that is more than likely just reliable. We're doing a giveaway of 3 diamond starter kits by iJoy. To enter, subscribe, like, and comment this video. If you want any more details of the Aero starter kit or the diamond starter kit, links will be down in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.